I did a bike ride. Oh, I need my microphone. I need my hat. I got a selfie stick I'm grabbing and using by Insta360. It's showtime! Put it on a bike on the handlebar, put it on a little tripod, put it on the selfie. That is the key here. Oh, look, man. Want to play some board games? We got Othello, we got People, we got other games. You want to dump dive? I know whose house this is. Made my intro to an outro. I still gotta do another one. Make it just go play straight in reverse. But what good would that do? Play the outro for the intro. Yeah. Pull the tree out. And then you can park it straight. You ever been down a manhole? You gotta do testing before you go down for methanol. That's power, man. Always methanol in the manhole. You gotta air it out. You can put a blower, get heat. Sometimes those manholes could go down 2 stories. And they could be as big as a house. So yeah. I got an Insta360 1X2. I had it, and that's why I had this pole. And I was gonna get an X3, which I did. I just didn't want to feel like I was like this all the time. It's just heavy. And the Action 4 is a lot lighter to hold. I even got the Insta360 1RS. And yeah, it is what it is, man. And lucky I stuck with the OA4, and I'm very pleased. Years ago, we used to walk like this, with the selfie stick, all the time. Well, thank God that the OA4 did this for me. It allowed me to bring my camera in like so, and just walk with my elbow to my body, giving me the same effect. Then, looking like this, far away. Oh, am I that far away? Or am I this far away? Now, if I'm gonna be using a Pocket 3, for example, do I need to put it on a selfie stick as well? And is it gonna help the up and down? Well, maybe the Osmo Action 5 will get the stabilization of up and down and fix that. Well, they claim that the GoPro's now got Hyper Smooth Pro. Well, they promised us a professional GoPro to come out. Just the name, if asked. I'm on my tripod. As you can see now, I got my selfie pole. But my tripod could come out. That it? Yeah, my tripod comes out this much. And that's how I'm holding the camera, like this. I think that's pretty good. Selfie stick, I gotta put a mini tripod on, which I have from the Inky. I got a couple of them hanging in the house. But these tripods I don't love for the reason of the bottom. When you open up the base, let me stop moving around, fish. You can put them on. When the tripod legs, all 3 legs like this, is when mine's on an angle. I think this one broke and I re-glued it and I got it back on. No, I think that was the other one. This one is pretty good. I don't love it. It's not perfect. The legs are not in a 333 degrees, as I could say, but the base here comes down like this much, so when you put it down on something, it gets in the way if it's uneven. So the only way I can enjoy that is taking the tripod, cutting the base off the bottom pole, cutting it down further so when the handle's closed it won't get there, but then the pole may not open up. I would have to glue it down, and then I could center my glue correctly. Why am I stepping on all these twigs here, man? First thing in the morning, I hear sirens. It's not about owning all cameras, every camera, and having just one as a basic and trying to show all. Oh, look, I have an X3, I have an X2, I have an X1, I have a GoPro 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 plus 3. I have the white, the silver as well. I have the session and the 5 plus. Not about that. It's about just having a camera and enjoying it and sharing it to the world. And I watch people just talk about it. And the thing is, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, oh man, nobody's got it. And the Sony ZV-1F, nobody's got it. Very, very, very little YouTubers talking about it, showing it. Well, it came out, and that was about it. It died. I don't love my 1 Mark II, and I don't love my ZV-1F, but I do like them. They do the job. I may go back to the ZV-1F for the reasons of it's not going to blur my things when I put it in there. Maybe I could turn off product showcase and autofocus control and the zone being on wide. That wouldn't do anything. But the ZV-1 Mark II, every time I turn it off, come back later, have it plugged in, this and that, the zone wide goes to zone. I'm not sure why it does that. I watched a person's video, My Gig Uses, using the Pocket 3. He did an excellent discussion about using the defocus, the product. And when he just used it, everything worked out pretty nice. Did a good job. Now, for me to get one and use it, hook it up and all, the 1/4 20 thread is on the additional, optional battery case and not the actual camera. So you got to put it into the case. And I would like that feature about having the, you got it, the tracking, doing a good job, man. And yeah, so when I walk this way and do this and do that, at least I wouldn't have to stop and move the camera all the time. There's a lot we can do. Yes, indeed. So maybe if Best Buy ever gets it back in stock, all sold out. The $519 model, all sold out. And why would you want to get a $669 model? Because $519 won't get you that bottom base, I guess. It won't get you at all. But I'll look into the full package and just wait a little longer. Wait for them to get back in stock and see if they do throw a sale. Well, they threw a sale on the Osmo Action 4. They dropped it $100 and still dropped $100. Were they overcharging? If they're still down at this price, well, you want a good deal on a GoPro Hero 11? It's $399, $299. I said 3. It's $299.99. And right now, the 12 is $349. Oh man, that's a $50 difference. When the GoPro Hero 12 was $299 when it first came out. Now it's increased to $349. The price is increased. Well, it is what it is, man. It really is. This is a decision I want to make if I want to spend close to $1,000 for a Pocket 3. On that note, I'm going to sit down, have a nice jug of coffee, and think about my actions. Oh yeah, I would definitely think about what I'm going to do with my money. I'll see you on many other videos to come.